To allow your phone to scan your fingerprint while the screen is off in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you have to enable fingerprint always on feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under security section, tap biometrics. Tap fingerprint. Enter your current secure screen lock as the example. If you use pattern, draw your pattern. And then tap the gray on offset next to fingerprint always on to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. However, when the fingerprint always on feature is on, now you can scan your registered fingerprint to unlock the phone even when the screen is off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.